removing an M.2 boot adapter and drives. Remove the following components in the order they are listed below. If applicable, the security bezel, the top covers, the air baffle. Loosen the captive screw and then push the M.2 boot adapter slightly forward to detach it from the system board. To remove M.2 drives from a backplane, pinch and hold the retainer clip backward. Pull the rear side of the M.2 drive away from the backplane. Remove the M.2 drive. To remove an M.2 backplane, loosen the captive screw that secures the M.2 cable to the adapter. Disconnect the M.2 cable from the adapter. Open the cover on the adapter. Loosen the captive screw that secures the M.2 backplane to the adapter. Remove the screw that secures the M.2 backplane to the adapter. Remove the M.2 backplane from the adapter.